Most crypto miners are bleeding money on electricity bills and don't even know it. I'm about to show you the hidden optimization techniques that separate profitable miners from those who quit after their first electric bill shock. Here's what successful miners know that beginners don't. First, your GPU settings are probably wasting 30% or more power. Use MSI Afterburner or similar overclocking and undervolting tools to reduce power draw while keeping hash rate stable. Small tweaks, lowering power limit, reducing core clock, and raising memory clock carefully, can cut consumption without losing performance. Test each change and monitor stability. Second, hardware choice makes or breaks profitability. The NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti isn't popular by accident. It offers excellent hash per watt. When shopping, compare hash rates and TDPs, factor in resale value, and consider used markets to lower upfront costs. Investing in energy-efficient GPUs or ASICs pays off over months, not days. Third, timing is everything. If your electricity provider has time-of-use billing, schedule mining for off-peak windows when rates drop substantially. Many miners automate rigs to run heavier loads at night or during low-rate blocks. Use simple scheduler scripts or mining software with built-in timing to do this automatically. Fourth, never mine blind. Use profitability calculators like What to Mine or the NiceHash calculator daily to compare coin choices, fees, and electricity costs. Track pool fees and wallet payouts and switch coins or algorithms when the math changes. Combine calculator insights with a running profit spreadsheet to spot trends. These are 4 of 10 critical optimization strategies that keep successful miners profitable, while others struggle with massive electric bills. Take your crypto journey to the next level. Subscribe to Crypto Miners Rigs for expert tips on buying and building mining rigs, tailored for newcomers. Master these fundamentals. Optimize settings, pick efficient hardware, mine smartly by time, and check profitability. And you'll move from hoping your next bill won't break you to running a predictable, profitable operation.